Hello, everybody. Welcome back to my kitchen. Now, if you want to take a break from meat and love a good curry that is saucy, full of flavor, warmly spiced, and gloriously aromatic, then this chickpea and eggplant curry is just the thing for you. The curry is healthy enough to make you glow from the inside. It doesn't require a very long list of ingredients, which I've listed for you in the description box below, and it comes together in 30 minutes. It's really hard to say no to this chickpea and aubergine curry, so let's get cooking. Alright, so here I have my eggplants, which I chopped into cubes off camera. First thing we're going to do is to salt them. This is going to reduce the oil soaking properties of this vegetable because you know how eggplants soak up oil like a sponge, right? So, after adding about 3 tablespoons of your oil to a pan, add your salted eggplants and saute them for about 8 minutes, making sure to gently turn them over occasionally. This, by the way, is going to leave the aubergine cubes whole and add texture to the curry. So, when your eggplants start turning golden like this, remove and set aside. Now pour the remaining oil in the pan, add the onions and cook over medium heat for about 3 to 5 minutes or until they are softened. Add the green peppers and cook for 2 minutes. Now add the green chillies, garlic, and ginger. Continue to cook for about 45 seconds or until they're nice and fragrant. Now I always use my aromatics fresh, but if you are in a hurry, a tablespoon of garlic ginger paste works just as well. Next, add your spices and seasoning. I used cumin, coriander, paprika, turmeric, and chili flakes, and I crumbled a vegetable stock cube over that. Continue to cook for about 1 minute. And don't hesitate to add some water if you need to. Let me tell you something, you guys. My kitchen is gloriously aromatic at this point. Now go in with your tomatoes. These are going to help to make the sauce rich and silky. The chickpeas, coconut milk, and water. Stir everything up bulungi, reduce the heat, cover and simmer for about 20 minutes. And while that's going on, of course, I'm going to share a simple recipe for your spirit. And today it's a word of encouragement from the book of Zephaniah 3:17. All right, so this is 20 minutes later, and the aroma, my goodness, it is so glorious, and I'm not even kidding about that. So I decided at this point to remove and blend some of my curry, and this went a long way in thickening the sauce and making it even more creamy, as you can see in the video. Now add the aubergines back into the pan, cook for a couple more minutes, and then your incredibly creamy, silky, tasty chickpea and eggplant curry is ready to be served with whatever side tickles your fancy. You can also eat it on its own as a cozy, satisfying, and healthy bowl of curry goodness. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and until my next one, God bless. Bye.